1983 Ford Capri 2.8 injection genuine 3,600 miles rare for sale. Ford Capri 2.8 injection. First registered August 18, 1983, only one previous owner. It was my intention to restore this car to concours condition. Unfortunately, I have came to the realization that I am not going to have the time to complete. This car is a very rare opportunity. The car has covered a genuine 3,616 miles. It was a one-owner car until 2016. The first two pictures of the car on the trailer in the advert. This is when the car was untouched and how it was found. This 2.8 high Capri has a very interesting story. The car was found in a garage in Kilmarnock around 2015 after the late owner's house was sold at auction. The new owners found this car in the garage, where it had been sat unused for decades. Unfortunately, the car had suffered some external water damage from a leaking garage roof and required some bodywork. I purchased this car from the second owner in February 2018. He had started the restoration and the car was painted. The paint and previous repairs done to the shell was not up to my standard and I had the car externally soda blasted and primed. That is as far as I have got. There has been some previous repairs to the shell, which were carried out by the previous owner which are not up to my standard and I was going to have these repairs redone. Repairs to 8 pillars, front of bonnet, front wings where the bumpers fit, small section of the roof. This is not a full restoration by any means. The floor has never been welded and still has the original underseal from the factory. I believe the mileage to be genuine. It still had the original Goodyear and CT tires fitted with 7mm tread. I still have these. The spare alloy and tires unused. The original Ford exhaust was still fitted to the car, unfortunately rotten. Look at the pictures of the interior as it is as good as you will see. The steering wheel has very little wear and dashboard is mint and uncracked. Little wear to pedal rubbers. Original Motorcraft clutch plate with very little wear, etc. Parts required. Roof liner will require replacing as this has got damaged. The rear parcel shelf is damaged and boot cardboard is damaged. The car is 100% original panels but does require some work to the shell. Lower front panel, lower back panel, small repair to NS inner wing rail. Small repair to the heater bowl. I have an express panel front panel, lower back panel. I think all the parts for the car are in boxes. This is a cracking project for someone and you are not restoring a 20-owner high-mileage car. This car will be worth a lot of money if done to a high standard. I have just completed a Concours Mk2 RS 2000 and it was my intention to restore this to the same standard. Good thing with this project is that you will not need lots of hard-to-get parts. All the parts are there. I would really like this car to go to a good home as this car has a bit of sentimental value to me. I actually sat in this.